What is up, guys? It's your boy Yusun back for another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom made intros. I got this idea and a lot of requests from my friends and brother that they were like saying, "Yo Yusun, how you make your intros?" And I just want to share it with you guys. Hopefully this video can help you guys to make your own intros if you are starting a YouTube channel. But first, yes, I know, guys, I said that I will make a video with my voice if we get 200 subscribers, and of some reason we haven't got 200 subscribers. Then please hit that subscribe button. I would not make this video, but I got a lot of requests for it, so hope this video will help you guys to make your own custom intros. And but first you have to go to Chrome, type in panzoid. Don't worry, the link will be in the description. And after getting into this website, you have to get your template. Don't worry, guys, if you don't like these ones, like 7 or 8 of these, don't worry, there are a lot of templates. You can go to more creations, and yeah, there are like a billion of these you can choose from. As you know, I have already my intro, so for this video I'm just going to make another one. Let's choose this one, and as you can see, this how this is here. You can play as well. Oh my goodness, that is so loud. So yeah, you can play also. And if you don't like the music, then of course you can change it. Don't worry, we are going to change the name as well. Now you go to here and you select your how long do you want the intro to be. I personally want it to be 9 because that is like a perfect. I would say don't don't put your intro length to like 20-30. I personally recommend it to put it at 8 or 9 or 10, because that's like the perfect you can get. And if you put your intros at like 20 seconds, 50 seconds, then you are just gonna lose views, because you are gonna annoy the heck out of your viewers. So yeah, if you want to put these, then you can, but I don't want to. And this is where the magic happens. This is where you put your name. Yeah, this last one changes the front name, I think. And yes, guys, I'm doing this on my phone. You can do this on your desktop, laptop, anything. As you can see, this is now changed. This is changed, and you can do other things as well with these. And you can, I think, change your colors, right? I know you can change your colors. Where is the colors, guys? I'm telling you can change your colors. Yeah, colors, look at that. And yeah, you can do this. And if you want a different music, then you can change the music as well. And plus, if don't worry, guys, after you save this video, aka intro, then it will show the full thing. Right now it is not, don't worry. And after doing all of these things, you can go ahead and download your video. First you have to do start video render. After that, after it is all completed, it will say download a video. You have to tap there, and there you go, you have your custom made intro. Hope you guys, yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys like it. If you did, then please don't forget to leave a like, and if you have not, then please subscribe. If this video was a help to you, then please subscribe. Get me 200 subscribers. We are like 33 away. And yeah, that's a video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.